It's American Gun Chick
and Big Daddy Hoffman 1911, and it's Gun Day Monday.
Hi, this is American Gun Chick, and you're listening to Aries Clothing. Alright, what's up guys? I just want to give a big thank you to RIODO for sponsoring this video. RIODO is a little shower speaker, and you can take, it actually comes with one of these little suction things. You hook it right here, pin it up to your shower. It actually has Bluetooth, so you have the option right here to connect your phone, and you have your volume up, volume down, and your power button. So that's pretty cool. You can take it to the beach, you can do whatever. But if you don't have Bluetooth, it also has a little aux cord, so you can plug your phone in like that. It also has a charger, so you know it doesn't take batteries or any of that. I hate fussing with batteries, but it's pretty cool. And this thing right here only retails for 20 bucks. I mean, you can't get much cheaper than that. That's pretty cool, and it's a pretty good quality. It's pretty hard, you can tell. It's like a sturdy, nice speaker, and the quality of the music sounds pretty good too.
Don't take my guns, come see what I do to you. This will defend. I'm from the land of the free, from the home of the brave. Freedom don't come free.
So, I think this would be like a perfect gift for your daughter, your son, your friend, your mom, anyone. This is really cool. So, there's going to be a promo code down below, so make sure you use that promo code because it helps our channel and it helps you guys out. So, make sure you go get a RIODO. Check them out at least. They're pretty cool. 20 bucks, can't beat it.
So I'm out here in North Carolina with Big Daddy Hoffman and Jason, and today I just came to visit. We're gonna shoot some different cool guns. We're gonna check out some Desert Eagles, some AK style shotguns, and I'm here at one of the coolest ranges on YouTube. We have all this stuff over here, all this steel. We have the Texas Star, we have the spinner there. So
You like a little bling bling too, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I see that. And I got
Yeah.
Desert Eagles got a little bling bling.
All right, let's do it. That's really cool. I like how it's all like shiny, and just gotta add some of this bling on there and it'll be ghetto fabulous.
Ghetto fabulous.
Yeah, I was gonna try, and if you guys will let me shoot both of these at the same time.
So if you can handle it, I have no problem.
Feeling froggy.
Oh, I think I can handle 4 of them.
Oh, you do? Okay. All right. Well, let's see if we can get you grinning like a mule eating briars on these. How about that?
All right.
All right.
Woo! All right, that was fun, but a shell just knocked me in the forehead really hard.
Good shot.
Your hands start to get beat up. This thing is beastly. Should we try it one-handed now? All right, let's try it left-handed. Yeah, that thing has got some power to it, man. That first shell went and, can you see like a mark? It hit me on the forehead. The corners of my thumbs right here, like the corner of my hand is like on fire, and it's really hot and it's red. That was intense. Man, my hands are gonna be beat up after this. Now, me and Big Daddy are gonna take out all our targets down there and break out the big guns.
What I think we're gonna do is go John Wick on them. How about that?
Yeah, let's go John Wick on them.
All right, let's do it.
Look at that. Jeez, this thing is a cannon. So it's a little hard to aim because it's such a cannon, and it's really hard to not anticipate the shot, but thank you.
I mean, these are a handful, right?
I did get the one shaving cream bottle right there, and it's went into smithereens, so things are
They're Big Daddy Desert Eagles.
Yeah. Those make the 380 look like nothing. Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna shoot both of these gold and silver Desert Eagles. So.
Are you sure?
I guess. Yeah. Let's do it. All right.
Ready? All right, so what we have here is we got the Mossberg Shockwave. You said you shot this before. And that's going to let us shoot these little Aguila mini shells. Oops.
All right, so my hands are getting really tired from that Desert Eagle. So I got this Mossberg Shockwave right here. Got our targets down there. Let's tear them up. All right, am I high or? I got that one, but I was aiming for the Dr. Pepper. Alright, so I learned what I have to do with this thing now. I have to aim a country mile low because I'm hitting a country mile high. So, because before, where I was aiming like right here. And I guess I was hitting like up here. So I started aiming right here, and then it started hitting. So. Sounds so weird. Alright, so we got this Vepr 12 right here. It's a 12 gauge shotgun. And it's got a drum mag right here. And it's an AK style. So you have your AK style charging handle right here. We got our safety right here and fire. So it's an AK style, but a shotgun. So that's kind of cool. Alright, we're good to go. Oh, that's cool. That's fun. Let's shoot some steel.
How about the pumpkin?
The pumpkin?
Yeah.
That's so much fun. Can we rapid fire it?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Wait for him.
Bottom. There you go. Hit the Now top. Bottom.
Doing a good job.
Too much fun.
That was good.
You got to spin it all in your first 2 shots.
And you got it. You kept it spinning.
Yeah, we got to do it again.
I know.
Okay.
Alright, so now I got this DP12 right here, and it holds 16 rounds. It's a shotgun. Yeah, the cool thing about this is you shoot it twice, then you rack it, then you shoot it twice, then you rack it again, so. Wow, that's cool. It's really nice. It's a really hard, not really hard, but it's a harder trigger than most shotguns I'm used to, so you really gotta like jerk it in there. Look at that.
Good shooting.
All right. Oh, I was trying to rack it after shooting it once again.
Let them all out. How about that?
Oh, it goes by
what
quick.
Do you think?
That was nice. It was fun. That's a nice little gun. All right, so I shot a bunch of Big Daddy's guns, so I'm gonna let you shoot some of mine. You ready?
That'll be
Excited?
good.
All right, so what I have for you today is a Glock 43. It's a semi-automatic in Tiffany blue. So since this is my brand new gun and it hasn't been shot yet, for you to shoot it, you have to wear these. Those are the rules.
Are you serious? That's a good shooter right there. All right, we're empty.
What do you think?
It felt good.
Do you like it?
You hadn't even shot it, have you?
I've
Yeah.
shot that gun, but not this gun right here. Like, I've shot 43s before. That's how I knew that I wanted it.
I'll tell you one thing, it does shoot really good.
Good.
Let's let you try it.
So I'm gonna shoot my Tiffany blue Glock 43 for the first time. It is kind of frisky. Man, terrible. That sucked. Oh,
Yes.
if I
The
were,
color.
it's easy
is for
to
you.
manipulate too because it's so small.
Yeah. You gonna carry that one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's my carry. All right, so we had a really fun day. I got to shoot the shotgun, multiple shotguns, the BP12 and then the Vepr 12. I'm always getting the names wrong, but I got to shoot my Tiffany Glock for the first time. Got to shoot a Desert Eagle 2 at one time. That was pretty cool. So
Yes.
thank you, Big Daddy Hoffman,
You're very
for
welcome.
having me out here. That was a lot of fun. And you guys need to go check out his channel, see what he's doing over there. Big Daddy Hoffman 1911. And we'll leave that in the description. But
It's
yeah.
a pleasure having you, really.
yeah, thank you for having me. It was fun. You want to come back and shoot some more
Yeah,
stuff?
you're welcome back anytime.
All right, so a lot of you guys always ask, where can I get an American gun chick? And I want an American gun chick. Well, you can get one by sharing this video with women and taking women shooting and getting them involved. Because by getting women exposed, we're creating American gun chicks. So I'm doing everything I can to create these videos, so it's up to you guys to share these videos so other women can see them. You know, share this video, do anything you can to get girls on the range or shooting or around guns as much as possible. And you can get your own American gun chick. So the goal is to make American gun chicks, not just have an American gun chick. Real quick, this is RIODO. It's a shower speaker. It has Bluetooth. It has an aux cord.